Hello everyone and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to talk about the upcoming releases for 2023 from Louis Vuitton. But before we get started, make sure you view those past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started. Before we get started, let's go over the handbag of the day and the outfit that I slayed. I am just going to show you a reel that I posted on Instagram today, and here it is.
Okay, let me tell you what. This is my favorite. Wait. This one. That's it. No, hold on. This is my favorite. Now that I think about it, maybe this is my favorite. Hold on. This one. That's my favorite.
So that was just basically a two-piece sweater, long sleeve outfit. Top, as you guys can see, the bottom basically came to my knees. I purchased this from, I believe it was Forever 21, like 2 or 3 years ago. It is old, and this is honestly the first time I have worn it. And as you guys can see, I chose the beautiful Marquita Reverse Loop GM bag. I had on my open-toed loops, and I was so happy to bring this beauty out. As you guys can see, it is in my top favorite handbags in my collection. I actually do not use the longer leather strap that comes with this handbag. I prefer the chain tote way, and this was a look, guys, today. Of course, the gold hardware stands out so much. And so, yes, guys, I am still loving on this beauty here. Okay, so let's get into these handbags that are coming out that Foxy LV posted on Instagram. I am getting a little excited. LV is working. Some things I feel like, as far as the colors, they could have changed. So let's get into the first one, which is the beautiful Speedy 20. So the Speedy 20 that's coming out is coming in like a cream color with rose pink. And if you do not have a Speedy 20 in your collection, I'm only using this as a reference as far as size go. This is a Speedy 20. And I can see it is going to have the extended zipper, which we all love on our Speedy handbags. I am excited they did not go with the good tar strap on this handbag. So it's going to be a chain strap and also a leather strap as well connected. So it's going to be a chain and leather strap that is detachable. And I do see in the back, guys, that it's kind of adjustable. I'm hoping that it is adjustable from what I am seeing. Gold hardware, and this is going to be such a cute handbag. I absolutely love the color combo. I love that they went with the Speedy 20. I do have Speedy 25s in my collection, but the Speedy 20 basically holds everything I need with additional room. So this is going to be very hot. It is going to be released February the 3rd, 2023. And it is going to be $2,570. The product code number is M46397. So big shout out to Foxy LV. She actually posted this on her page, and this beauty is coming out soon, and I'm excited. I love the color combo so much, and I'm so happy. Like I said, the guitar strap was not an option. So very, very cute. So let's move on because a Neverfull like this is coming out. I'm not a big Neverfull fan like I used to be. But like I said, the color combo is amazing. I love this cream and pale pink. So let's get into the price. Here is the Neverfull that's coming out. It's going to be $2,850. Product code number is M21579, and this is going to be released the same exact day, February 3rd, 2023. I want to see about the inside. I'm pretty sure it's going to be microfiber material. I want to know if it's going to match that rose color or are they going to go with the cream. This is gorgeous. Like I told you guys, I have kind of been over the Neverfulls, but this beauty coming out in the unprint leather and the color combo is hot. Very, very hot. So let me know if you have to honestly choose. Would you go with the Speedy 20 or the Neverfull? I believe this is an MM. I'm not sure, guys, if it's coming out in other sizes. But if they do release it in the PM, the MM, and the GM, that's going to be amazing. I can't see a GM, but I can most definitely see a PM and an MM in this color combo, okay? Very, very gorgeous. Now, let's move to this. I have never been interested in the Lock Me Tender handbags, but again, I am going crazy with this color combo here. I am loving the color combo with the gold hardware. I'm not sure exactly how big this handbag is or how much it actually holds, but it is a beautiful, 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 I can tell you that, crossbody handbag. I love the closure, the twist closure, and look at the strap. To me, it seemed like they were trying to put a good tar strap on here. They were pushing it. I am so glad that they didn't, but I love the rose pink in the front and actually at the back of the strap, meaning you can actually wear the strap on the rose side or on the cream side. I love it so much. And as you guys can see, I see a gold chain strap as well. So I'm trying to see, what is this? Is it half and half? So do you guys see on one side, it's the chain strap, and then on the other side, the opposite side, it's the leather strap. So does it meet in the middle? Does the chain strap, does it droop in the front? Like I said before, I do not have a Lock Me Tender in my collection, but I am very curious on how this strap is going to be. But the gold hardware on here is amazing. If I honestly had to pick, I'm going to go over another Lock Me handbag that's coming out. If I had to pick, I would most definitely go with this color here. I am loving this color combo, guys. It's crazy. The price is $2,710. Yes, it is more than the Speedy 20. And the product code number is M21611. And hold on a minute. I have a handbag in my collection, and I want to see if it's the same exact color or similar. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. That's why I love being in my closet, because I can just reach for whatever I want. But is this the same color combo? Look at the picture. The cream and the rose, like the light pink. I'm wondering if that is the same color combo. It does look, if you look at this Speedy, and it's Neverfull, it does look like this color combo. I don't know. I'm telling you, I'm excited. I said I wasn't going to buy any more handbags, but it seemed like I'm going to have to sell some handbags because I am in love with the Speedy, okay? So, let's speak on the next Lock Me Tender handbag. I actually showed this in my stories on Instagram, and this is what I said. Very hot, very beautiful. But honestly, I would change the front cream. I think it should be navy. I don't think the cream should be in the front. I want it to be completely navy. I love the color combo of the strap. It's like a cognate color in the inside, and then the outside matches the, the front of the bag. Love the gold hardware. But I am curious, if it was completely navy, how would the silver hardware look on this handbag? It's not a bad handbag at all. I'm only saying, if I was to make any adjustments, it's not a bad looking handbag, but I would take the cream off the front and make it completely navy. Or, it'd be cute if it was an entire cognate handbag and then put the cream at the front. I just feel like this handbag didn't need a color change in the front pocket, okay? Only giving my opinion. Like I said, still a very, very hot handbag. I would have just kind of changed around the colors that they chose. But very cute, very awesome. But I'm honestly loving the pale pink and the cream a lot more. That color combo is so dope, okay? Now, let's get into this handbag. I told you guys I was interested in the capucine or a twist handbag for 2023. I'm still looking. I don't know which color I actually want, but Foxy posted this one here. It is called the Twist One Handle BB. The product code number for this fuchsia color is M21589. I'm not a fan of the handle. I'm not a fan of the tote handle. I believe they could have most definitely changed that and made it more classy. I don't know. I'm just not a fan of the tote handle. But I told you guys, like I said, I do want to try a twist. Again, this is the Twist One Handle in the BB size. But look at this green. You guys know I have an LP Leather Green Ammo BB in my collection. And wow, this green with this gold hardware is boss. It is, hey, you see me walking through. I am coming through. It is money all 2023. Wealth, rich. I love this green color. I really do. And the price for both of the handbags is $4,450. I told you guys in my Instagram stories, I believe LV already had a price increase and they just honestly didn't announce it. The CAs are not telling us anything. They have already included the price increase in these new release handbags. It is insane. It's crazy. I'm sorry. I don't really speak on businesses and how they price their items, but some of these handbags and the sizes and the amount they are charging for the size, these mini size, the BB, the PM, is ridiculous. So again, $4,450. This is a BB size. They most definitely could have done away with the top handle. They could have done something totally different. But this green is very hot. I would choose the green over the fuchsia color. Beautiful gold hardware. Okay. The last handbag that I want to speak on is the Ellipse PM that is coming out. Yes, this bag has been around, guys, for some years. Basically, it didn't have the front zipper compartment, so I am loving this. I have always been a fan of this handbag, okay? I mean, I have seen it in the vintage department on Facebook. So many people promoting this handbag, and I honestly was going to jump the gun because I love it that much. But the ones that I saw, like the vachetta was kind of torn up, and the price that they were charging for it, I knew I would actually have to go and get it fixed. And so I didn't purchase, but I was interested. So this is coming back out with the front pocket, with the zipper, gold hardware. But let me tell you this, LV. No, I'm not a creative director. I should be. But try black leather. Try black leather and the monogram. Just like this. Keep the same structure. Keep the same handbag. Just add black leather. The tote handle should be black. The trimming should be black. Keep the front pocket. Everything is cute. Add black leather. Please bring back monogram and black leather handbags, LV. This would be so bomb. So again, guys, this beauty is coming out, okay? The product code number is M46196, and it shows January the 1st. I'm not sure because I believe January the 1st is a Sunday. I have to check. I'm not sure if LV releases handbags on Sundays. I always thought it was either a Friday or a Wednesday. And yes, January the 1st is a Sunday. So I'm not sure. You probably want to reach out to a CA, but I do have my eyes on this handbag. It seemed like I'm just going to have to purchase with the vachetta right now. The black leather tote handle is something that I am just asking. Hey, LV, come out with black leather tote handle and the monogram. It will be a hit. I promise you it will be. But it seemed like I'm going to have to purchase this. I love it. You guys know how I feel about my monogram and vachetta handbags, okay? It doesn't look like it's treated vachetta, so you guys already know. I'm just looking at how light the vachetta is. So just have your apple guard ready if you want. Me, I usually just tie a bandeau around the tote handle. But again, it's totally on you. I love how wide the opening is. You guys know I'm a big fan of that. And again, this is the PM size. So if you do have this, like I said, I've seen it in the vintage departments collections on Facebook. I actually was going to jump the gun. I didn't because I knew for the price they were charging and me having to go and get the vachetta fix, the inside was horrible. I'll just rather just wait and purchase a new bag. So I'm so happy this is coming out. Very, very, very excited. I'm going to honestly send this to my CA because this is something that she probably wouldn't even send to me, thinking that I wouldn't want it. But I like it. I love this. And I love that it's the PM size. So if you do have this handbag from years ago, if it was passed down to you, or if you are into vintage handbags and you have this handbag, let me know. And in the PM size, let me know how much it holds. How is it holding up? I am so excited. So I saved this handbag for last. Again, guys, it shows January the 1st on Foxy LV's page. I was sent a lookbook. I honestly haven't even opened the lookbook. From the past lookbooks I had, this was not in there. So I do have 2 more lookbooks to look through. And if I do see it in there or an update, I will let you guys know. And I will send this to my CA to get more information. But this is absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love it. So guys, again, let me know in the comments which one of these new releases you have your eyes on. Let me know if you do have the Lips PM handbag, like I said, from, years back in your collection. How is it holding up? Again, guys, I am so happy to be back. Happy holidays. I am so ready for 2023. As always, guys, let's chit chat below. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.